What is going on, everybody? Welcome back to the stream. Welcome newcomers. Welcome the OG Candle Mafia. Guys, 111 people in here. Let's go. We're growing every single day. That is a fact. Thank you all for being here. Smash that like button. If you just came in, make sure you hit that like button. We will be spinning the wheel of pain and pleasure at the end of the stream. Guys, I have two confessions, right? I'm going to grab that wheel in just a second. I forgot to bring it up here to begin with. But, guys, I have two confessions. Number one, I didn't mean to, but someone said it. I think it was Derek B. I did see in there in the chat in the beginning. Guys, I rug pulled the wheel spins last night. I didn't even realize. We got off. We ran a little late. We picked the winner for the 15-minute call. But I totally forgot about the wheel spins. I'm so sorry. So we are starting off today with 4 automatic wheel spins. So there you go. You automatically get 4 wheel spins. Normally the way it works is every 100 likes we get, we spin the wheel. So hey, run it up. You already got 4. I mean, let's shoot for 8. Let's go for 350 likes. I know we'll probably break through that 350 resistance straight to 400. Guys, again, welcome to the stream. Who do we got in here? Chat already going crazy. Crypto Anon, let's go. Welcome back to the stream. I am Mix. Ayo, let's go. What's going on, man? Welcome back to the stream. I don't know if I think you've been in here before. Let's see. Lost Profit. What's going on? Daniel Santiago, B5 man, or B's man, what's going on? Logan, Wick, Herman, Red, Daryl, Ammo, welcome back. Jonathan, welcome back. RNR, Tom, Vslim, welcome back. Good to see you, Vslim. Let's see. Paul Quinn, ooh, what's going on, Paul? Thank you for being here, dude. Let's see. Sam, Matt, Hank, Art, what is going on, everybody? Wow, guys, a lot of new faces. Welcome to the Frankie Candles YouTube channel. We do this stream every single day at 5:45, every single weekday, that is. Sometimes we hop on, at 2 in the morning when we're dumping. Some of you will understand what I'm talking about. But we stream every single weekday. Sometimes on the weekends, we will be going live. We cover TA. We take a live look at the charts. I let you guys know what I'm thinking. We take a look at your altcoins. We do a Q&A at the end of the stream. We spin that wheel of pain and pleasure. We do giveaways quite often. Speaking of that, we will be announcing our new Cardano NFT giveaway today at the end of the stream. Real quick, my other confession is I did not upload the video I said I was going to upload today at between 11 and 12 in the afternoon Eastern time. Guys, I was going through it today. Everything went wrong. I recorded the video 3 times. My screen didn't record the first time, blah, blah, blah. You don't need the details, but it messed up 3 times. I finally got it done. It's edited. It's uploaded on YouTube. It's not posted yet because I did run out of time, but I will. If you guys want to see me post that tonight, let's get the hashtag tonight in the chat, and I will release that tonight when I go home. So sorry about that, but it is a risk management video talking about stop losses, where you should set them. I give you guys 3 different methods on using stop losses. You could pick which one works best for you, depending on, if you like taking a lot of risk, if you don't really like taking a lot of risk. I give you a few different methods that should fit any type of trader that you are. So for the NFT giveaway, you're going to want to look out for that video going up tonight, and you want to watch it, like it, be a subscriber, and leave a comment. And we will be picking the winner out of everybody who liked and commented on that video. With that being said, thank you for being here tonight, now. Robert says hashtag now. All right, so I will put it up tonight. No problem. You guys will get it. A lot of sauce dropped in that video. So yeah, so keep an eye out for that. And if you do, Obsession's got her dog, or her or his, I don't know, dog nut, it's Cardano NFT. I sent it this morning. They said they got it. So shout out to Obsessions 2024. Congratulations on that. And I will bring up real quick, I will bring up the NFT that we are giving away today real quick. Give me a second here. I'm pulling it up. But guys, so we're talking about Bitcoin today. We are at a very, very, very strong resistance level. We're going to talk about that, where we can go if we do wind up breaking out of this resistance and going higher. I'm going to let you know, as we like to do on this channel, I like to give you the bull case and the bear case, right? Because, nobody's ever 100% right on making calls. So what I like to do is give you a bear case and a bull case, and then I like to tell you which way I'm leaning. So we're going to be going over that. We're going to be taking a look at the altcoins. Gonna be packed of good stuff. Jimmy Two Shoes, welcome to the back to the chat, man. What's going on? Always representing the CandleMafia out here. Jimmy's from the Boogie Down Bronx. And as I'm looking up the NFT, here is the NFT savant himself, DZ.
Yeah.
What's going on, dude?
Man, I told him to not come here after ATB, but I guess some did. I don't know. I'm seeing some names.
Some of them showed up. But yeah, we're actually showing them the NFT we're giving away. We gave away a dog nut NFT. I don't know. Have you seen those?
Can you share screen, or are we sharing screen?
I'm going to, once I pull this up.
How about you show the people what we're looking at?
Yes.
Right?
Here you go.
Act like you have streamed before.
Well, you don't want to give the seed phrases away. All right. So here is the NFT that we're giving away this time. I can't show you the dog nut NFT because it's not my wallet anymore. But Obsessions 2024, congratulations to you for winning that. This is the next one, Adakian. How would you say that, DZ?
Adaku tribe. I'm getting Zelda vibes.
Okay, I'm getting
Zelda?
like Zelda Avatar vibes.
Avatar. Yeah.
Avatar.
Yep. Yeah.
Love it.
Would you?
Well.
Would you mint?
Oh.
Would you mint?
Would you? See you later, DZ. You guys can't see my screen. Sorry about that.
That's what I was talking
let me fix
about.
that. Oh. What would we do without DZ, right? We would not be sharing our screen. Okay, so I just fixed that real quick. You guys should be able to see it now. Here is the NFT, Adakian. I don't know, he says Adaku, but I mean, he's the NFT guy, so he probably knows better. Little Bird, welcome back. So just waiting, I got a little delay here. I just wanna make sure you guys can see my screen before we move on. Should be any second now. Boom. Okay, so now you guys can see it. There it is, the Adakian, I don't know how to say that, NFT. This is the one we're giving away. Little Avatar vibe, if you ever seen that movie. So yeah, so keep a look out for that stop loss video, and we will be giving this away to, we will be picking the winners from the people who liked, watched, and commented. So definitely go check that out later tonight when it is uploaded. But without further ado, guys, let's go ahead and jump into the charts. There she is. Good old Bitcoin. All right. Let's see. Help him, DZ. Yeah, what would we do without DZ? DZ's the man. I gave DZ 3 chain link. Hey, Sam, I remember that. That was in Texas. I was going to say, you said yesterday I met you at the meetup, and I thought it was Texas. I knew it was Texas. Yeah, it was pretty funny. Sam gave DZ 3 actual chain links from Home Depot at the meetup. I thought that was hilarious and well thought out as a prank. Bubba's Crypto says, I see you, Frankie. I see you, Bubba's. Thank you for coming back. Bubba's in here all the time. All right, so enough with the the gabagool. Let's move on to the sauce here. All right, so guys, starting off on the weekly, let me pull up Market Cipher B. Now, hey guys, thank you for representing in the morning chat. I saw you guys out there. I actually got a little shout out from CryptoFace. That was cool. Shout out CryptoFace. So yeah, thanks for shouting me out up there. Love seeing, the CandleMafia popping up in the BitBoy crypto stream. And, I appreciate you guys. I saw you guys are throwing out hashtag CandleMafia, hashtag Bing Bongs in the chat. Let's go. All right. So here on the weekly for Bitcoin, just to give you guys an idea what we're looking for, I did talk about this on the morning stream, so bear with me if you already saw this on the morning stream. But weekly overall, we're going to start bearish and then we're going to go bullish, right? We'll start on the low notes, end on the high note. So here's the low note. I don't want to, this is basically how I'm seeing this, right? This will be familiar to you guys, obviously, if you watch the stream, but this money flow, this green money flow wave, right, coming down right here. Let me make it a little bigger. This money flow, this green money flow wave, right, coming down very aggressively. Not a good look for Bitcoin, right? Because if you come back to 2017, 2018, right, we peaked out right here. This is the top of the last cycle. And then you see the green wave topped out and we worked our way down as we were on our way to the bear market or entered a bear market, right? And then right when we crossed into the red, from the green into the red, you can see here, let me get rid of this EMA here. And you can see that that is when we dipped all the way down into the dark ages of the bear market. right about here. So, I mean, you guys can see, I mean, it's very, very similar here, right? Money coming out aggressively, about to cross the zero line. Now, with that being said, I do want to point out that this is looking a little better recently due to the VWAP, right? The yellow VWAP wave. Crossed up above the zero line, which was bullish. We were waiting for this to happen for a long time. We got a little move to the upside, and then we crossed back down. Very, very bearish, right? At that point, I was kind of thinking this could be the end, but look at that. We popped right back up. You know, this doesn't happen too often, but, you know, we popped down, popped right back up. So maybe this is that nice last little leg, and I will talk about where I personally think that we could go. Are we going to all-time highs? Is it going to be a relief? You know, a relief pump. What is it going to be? We're going to talk about that. But this VWAP crossing back up above the zero line is definitely looking a lot better than it was, right? And we are printing that green dot on the momentum wave, which is definitely bullish, at least for the short term, right? Because it's not impossible. Let me make this a little bigger. It's not impossible for this wave to come down and then curve up a little bit, right? And if it does play out like that, you know, we could see one last pump. And we're going to get a little deeper into that in just a second. Let's just check on chat real quick. Got to support the fam. Daryl, what's going on? Absolutely. La Familia, you know what I'm saying? Grassy Bacon, I like that name. Hashtag CandleMafia. Let's go. Love it, CandleMafia. John Powell, welcome. Can't see me in the morning. I'm still hidden by YouTube. Blanchards, I keep saying that. I'm going to bring that up maybe to TJ. I'm not sure if we have other people that are monitoring that, but I will bring you up and I'll pick it for you to get you back in there. I definitely will. You might have just gotten, you know, you might have just said a word that they think YouTube might not like, so they might have just blocked you, but I'll try to fix that for you. All right, let's see. How long till we have Frankie, CryptoFace, and Casper on ATV at the same time? Epic. That would be so sick. I would love that. We love CryptoFace. We love Jason Casper. Friends of the channel. Really, really good people. Check out their channels. They're awesome. All right, let's see. Hey, Doug, welcome back. Okay, I'm back. What did I miss? Nothing. We're just getting started. And then real quick, I honestly think this is about to be the blow off top we were looking for. Jonathan, we're going to talk about that in just a second. What's good, BJ? What's going on? I see you. Obsessions 2024. Hey, Frankie, last time I checked, I'm a he, not a she. Okay, good. Good. That's all cleared up. Now I know. I never know with these YouTube names, right? So maybe I'll just go with they from now on. But now I got it. I got you. That's cleared up. You should live stream CryptoFace. Yeah, Cipher, I think we're going to try to work on that. That would be really, really sick. Thanks for the alpha. Absolutely. You think clear skies for Luna if it breaks $100? Yeah, we're going to talk about Luna, guys. Luna's been going crazy. All right, so let's rune long or scalps. Okay, we're gonna get into all this. Collab with Shelton Sniper. 50K by the weekend. Hey, hopefully. I don't think it's impossible. All right, let's jump right back in here. Now, where do I think that we could go? I don't know who keeps taking my dang spider lines off the chart. But hey, you know what? Let's just draw a couple spider lines real quick before we do this analysis, because we are going to need the spider lines for this. But hey, if you guys want to know how to draw the spider lines, I'm going to draw a few right now. But if you are looking for an actual tutorial on how to do it, exactly where you need to be on the chart to draw them, check out the spider line video on the channel. It's got a little spider on the thumbnail. You can't miss it. So definitely check that out. I show you exactly how to draw these, where to draw them from. But let's see here. Okay, so let's just draw a few of these here. All right, boom, boom, boom. Guys, put it in chat. What are you guys feeling, right? Like, do you guys think this is going to be a relief pump if we wind up going up? Do you think it's going to be a relief pump? Do you think we're hitting new all-time highs? You know, do you think we're not going to pump? Do you think we're going to reject from the area that we're at right now? And do you think, you know, like, do you think it's just over? Let me know what you guys think in the chat. I'd like to see, you know, where everybody's head is at. Okay, boom. All right, let's see if this is what we need. Very specific spider lines that I'm looking for. Okay, cool. All right, let's see. NASDAQ coming to a death cross. Does BTC drop with it? We've seen Bitcoin starting to decouple from the stock market because we have been following it pretty closely in the recent days or recent weeks. But it does look like they're starting to decouple a little bit, which could be a good thing. Bronx Bricklayer, what's going on, man? Welcome back to the stream. He says 65K next weekend, Bitcoin 65K next week. Let's go. I hope so. I hope so. 50-50 bull bear. I get that. I get that. Don't trust it. Yeah, you got to be careful. Hoping for all-time highs, Bubba. Yeah, that would be great. I have no idea what to think. Uncle Jimmy, we're gonna try to clear that up right now. 65K next week. Hey, new money getting into crypto. Yes, that happens to me all the time in TradingView. The settings end up all reverted. Yeah, it's so annoying. All right, yeah. So all right, we got some bullish people in here. We pumping 160% today. Let's go. Pump to 47 max, 52. Then Bitcoin will drop it like it's hot. Okay. All right. So let's talk about it, guys. Let's talk about it, right? So let's look at Market Cipher a little bit more, and I'm going to talk about where I think we can go from here. So let's take a look, right? So on the daily, right? We just checked out the weekly. I gave you a little bit of the bearish news. Kind of looks like the bear market the top in 2016 or 2017, 2018. Now coming down to the 3-day, right? Now, a lot of these longer time frames are printing these trigger waves and these green dots, which is actually pretty bullish, right? This is making me feel pretty good, right? We got a green day. We got a green dot on the 3-day. Let's pull up Market Cipher A real quick. Guys, if you don't know what I'm looking at here with Market Cipher A and Market Cipher B, check out my tutorials on the channel. I explain what everything means. So you can have a better understanding. We explain it a little bit on the stream, but I have full tutorials. They're pretty quick if you want to just quickly understand what we're looking at. But so we did have that blood diamond, right? Looks like that could be invalidated at this point, but we were feeling pretty bearish, but then we came up, printing that green dot with a little trigger wave there. 2-day looking very similar. You have a little trigger wave with a green dot looking bullish. Money flow in the red, but that can curve up. VWAP above the 0 line. Now coming to the daily, this is where things get interesting. This is looking, this daily, this is kind of what I'm looking for, right? This is where I think we could see big moves, right? Money flow, essentially for the most part, smoothly curving up, right? Towards the 0 line, wants to cross over into the green. This could be, this money flow crossover could be the thing that starts to actually launch us up to higher prices. So this is actually looking pretty good. It does look like it's starting to round off this way a little bit, but generally speaking, I mean, this is kind of just curving up for the most part. So that is looking pretty bullish. Let's come down and see what the 12 hours looking like, right? You got a green dot right here, very, very close to the 0 line. I don't know if you guys can see that, but yeah, so we moved up, actually above this spider line here. Let's move down to the 4-hour. 4-hour money flow crossover starting to come down with the money flow as we start to level off here, as we're hitting resistance, right? But this 4-hour money flow, these are typically pretty good indications of a nice pump. If you come back here, last time we were in the red, let me just make the chart a little bigger here, right? Last time we were in the red, crossed over to the green, right? We initially came up, let me turn off my magnet. We initially came up about 4%, then 6%. We came down a little more, but eventually wound up bringing us up about 25% if you go to the top of the wicks. So if you entered a trade at this money flow crossover, it might have got a little sketchy here, but I mean you wouldn't have really gotten stopped out for the most part, and it would have been a great entry for that nice 25% gain. If you're putting 10x leverage on that, that's a huge gain, right? 25% with 10x leverage would be 250% profit on your money. So not too shabby, not too shabby. And if you guys do want to trade, with leverage, oh no, did it not pin to the chat? Let me see if I can add it in there. I am going to, boom. Okay, I'm putting my referral link to FEMAX in the chat. You guys do get a little signing bonus if you sign up through there, and it helps the channel out, so it's a win-win. Who doesn't want a little extra money to trade with? But yeah, it helps out the channel a little bit. So if you guys want to sign up for FEMAX and trade with leverage, you could sign up with that link. I will pin it to the top of the chat. And yeah, so this 4-hour money flow is no joke, right? And that daily money flow crossover could be even bigger, right? So this is really what I'm looking for, this daily money flow crossover into the green for a big move up. Guys, we have 307 people currently watching the stream. Thank you all for being here. Smash that like button if you want to see us spin the wheel of pain and pleasure, or if you want to win an NFT. We're going to be announcing that at the end of the stream. Or I actually kind of already told you guys how to enter, but we will say it again at the end of the stream. So yeah, thank you for being here. Smash that like button. If you're new, welcome to the channel. Welcome to the channel where we show you how to make money trading crypto, whether the price is going up or down, right? Everyone's scared we're in a bear market, but we were talking about this yesterday. We're not worried about a bear market, right? Not good for our long-term investments, right? If you didn't pull enough profit at the top, but you know, if we go into a bear market, guys, you can trade these dips, these crazy free falls downwards, just like you can make money on these giant rips up, right? So you're making money going up and down. It's amazing. And you know, it's a really, really good skill to learn because you can make money in the bear market, still scalping in the bottom of the, you could scalp at the bottom of the bear market, right? Because you only need Bitcoin to move a tiny little percent. And you know, if you have leverage on there, you can make good money. And then you could take that money and reinvest it at the bottom of the bear market to your long-term bags into safer coins. And yeah, and that's how you can build some serious wealth, right? And always remember, people get rich in the bull market, and generational wealth is created in the bear market. So just remember that. If you go into a bear market, it's the biggest financial opportunity possibly that you'll ever see in your life. What a time to be alive. So yeah, coming in at about 44,317. But yeah, let's work our way 4 hour, right? Let's look at some of these lower time frames. Let's look at the 1 hour. Let's resize here a little bit. Yeah, I mean, thick in the green, right? We are thick in the green for the 1 hour, right? VWAP up, kind of flattening out, you know, but not looking, nothing too bad, right? Nothing screaming that we're just going to completely crash. Let's go to the 15-minute, guys. I've been loving the 15-minute chart. A lot of people say, what's my favorite time frame to trade? And if you're asking to figure out what you should be doing, I'll just tell you, I've been spending a good amount of time on the 15-minute. I like to scalp. I'm from New York, right? I like the hustle and bustle. I say this all the time. I like to be engaged and actively trading. I like the excitement. I like the rush. You know, I like to be involved. I like to be engaged. I have fun trading. But that doesn't have to be the case for you, right? You have to ask yourself, like, what is your life, right? Do you have a full-time job where you can't look at the charts all the time, right? In that case, you might want to be looking at the 4 hour, right, for trades, or the daily. You might want to pick a longer time frame to trade off of, so you don't have to stare at the charts constantly. But I do love the 15-minute. But so we were in the red, right, popping into the green with the money flow. You know, this could bring us up, right? Look at the last time we had a look at the last time we had a money flow crossover right here on this pink line. I mean, you would have made out well, right? The last money flow crossover. I mean, what did that bring us up here? That was about 18%. I mean, where would that take us theoretically, right? Doesn't mean it has to play out like that, but theoretically, or hypothetically, I should say, 18% would bring us right about. Look at that, guys. You can't make this up, right? So this next spider line, this yellow dashed line that we have right here is 19%, right? So this could theoretically, this money flow crossover, if it behaves like this one, you know, this could bring us right back up to that spider line at about 52K, right? Now, I think we will have some stops, obviously, on the way there. But hey, who knows? Bitcoin likes to surprise us a lot. So definitely going to keep our eye on that one. I wish I had all my spider lines here and they didn't get deleted. But yeah, guys, just to give you my general sentiment on the market right now, you know, because there's a lot of confusion. Everybody, like, no one really knows what's going on. Is the cycle going to be extended? Do you guys believe in the extended cycle theory? Let me know. I'm curious to see, like, how many people subscribe to the extended cycle theory, and then how many people just think it's completely bogus. Put hashtag bogus if you don't believe, and put hashtag extended if you do believe, right? So I kind of fall into, yeah, 52K sounds nice, Sam. I know. I'm hoping. But, you know, it's just like, for me, I don't think it's impossible that the cycle can be extended, right? We're seeing something that we haven't seen in the markets before. We didn't get this crazy blow off top. We didn't get the crazy altcoin season, right? So everyone's kind of sitting around and waiting for that. So, you know, I do think that we could extend and we could get a parabolic move, and we can make new all-time highs later in the cycle, right? If you guys don't know, the big parabolic move usually happens in like the first third of the cycle, and we are past that point you know, at this point in the cycle. Like, we're past that. So I don't think it's impossible to go to new all-time highs if the extended cycle theory winds up being true, but you know, it's just, it's hard to say. But I will say this. I definitely do, right? I don't think it's impossible. I don't think that theory is bogus at all. But I personally do lean towards towards the idea that we are actually in a bear market. Right now, what would that look like if my bias does play out, right? I think we do. I've been saying this on the stream for a while. I do think that we do have the possibility to get a relief pump up to about between 48 and 52K, and then assuming that we are in a bear market, I would consider that the relief pump somewhere in between there. Some people are calling for 60. But I'm going to stick to 48 to 52 before getting rejected down, and just falling lower and lower. So that's just me coming from the bias that that's just kind of how I feel. I've been saying it for a while, but that's not to say that we can't have an extended cycle and we can't hit new all-time highs. I don't think that's impossible. I'm not one of these people that's like extended cycle theory is bogus. I don't think that. But my personal bias is probably that we are already in a bear market, and because it would make sense, right? If we do come into a bear market, like going back in time and looking back on this moment when everything has already played out, it would make a lot of sense that 69 was the top. So, that's just kind of how I feel. But hey, I will tell you this: I'm definitely hoping for new all-time highs. That's for sure. But yeah, so I mean, hey, 52K wouldn't be too bad if you didn't take enough profit. I don't know where everybody got in at, but for me, if we hit 52K, I will most likely be taking some profits off the table. Even if we get higher up, I have to take some profits off the table because we never got that blow off top we were expecting, and I have to preserve what I have and pull some profits, right? Because I am still in the green right now with basically almost basically all my coins. But I would like to get up to 52 to pump them up a little more and then pull some profit. And then I will leave some in, right, in case we do go to higher prices. I do have a set amount of crypto that I will just never sell. But yeah, I will be taking profits probably in that range. But that's kind of where I think that we could go. And, it is funny that, the spider line, now that whole theory of 48 to 52K, I wasn't even really looking at the spider lines, right? I don't always have them on my chart. Sometimes I turn them off. But it is funny now that you see that spider line is about 52, right? We're at least going to see some sort of reaction if we do make it up there, right? The question is it going to be the move down to the bear market or not? So just some things to think about. Let's check chat real quick. Brian Garcia, what's going on? Welcome to chat, guys. Brian Garcia used to work with us here at BitBoy Crypto and Hit Network. He moved on to a new journey. We're super happy for him. Seems like it's a great opportunity for him. And he says, love you and miss you, dude. Headed out. Great stream. Y'all be easy and stack those sats. Thank you, Brian Garcia. He actually helped me out a lot when we first started the channel. So I appreciate you, Brian, if you're still in here. Hope you're doing well, brother. Okay. We're all part of the future economy. Obsessions, absolutely. I appreciate people keeping it real and saying we're in a bear market if that's what they're thinking. Yes, Sam, I'm not gonna, my job is not here to tell you guys we're going to 200. Like, if I thought we were going to 200K, I would say that, right? And maybe in the beginning, if I was here in the beginning of the bull market, I may have been saying that, right? A lot of people were. It was not uncommon. A lot of people looking between 100 and 350K. I probably fell into that basket. In the beginning of the bear market, beginning of the bull market. But people get roasted for making predictions, but you guys have to understand, like people go, oh, they just changed their prediction. Like, you have to understand that, as you move forward in the market, you're gathering new data and you have to take that new data into consideration, right? And you have to be able to change your thoughts based on new data, right? So I never really understood why people would hate on somebody. But that's kind of why I like to give you guys bull case, bear case, and then tell you kind of what I personally think. So, yeah, I'm not here to just try to blow some smoke, and just kind of make you guys think we're going to $1 bazillion if I don't truly think that. I will always give you guys my honest thoughts, right? Okay, so let's see. Like Ben says, don't marry your bags. Exactly. I've been having trouble taking profits from Coinbase recently. Anyone else having that issue? Well, their exchange does go down very often. So yes, anytime you need to sell on Coinbase, you usually can't get on the site. So is Bitcoin 40 MS and W on the weekly? Yeah, okay. So I actually wanted to talk about that too. So some of the things that make me think that we can come higher is because this is basically, right, we're on the daily right now. How does it look on the weekly? Yeah, I mean, looking very similar on the weekly, but you can kind of see it better on the daily, right? So, this is basically a textbook W reversal pattern, right? And you can see some big moves out to the upside from this if we can get above this resistance, right? So this is a tough resistance. We tried to break out this morning, got rejected again, but this is the level that we're looking to really get past. It's about 44.3 roughly, on the daily here. We want to try to get above here. If we could close a daily candle above this, I think it's then possibly off to the races on our way up to this next spider line. We will find some resistance. We do have 46, we have 48. Probably going to see some resistance, and then 50, that psychological resistance. But I think we can start our journey up to this level here at about 52. So just basically a textbook W reversal pattern. Also kind of like a double bottom, or like an Adam and Eve bottom, I think they call it. You could call it whatever you want. Technically, I guess, this low this is a higher low here, but you could kind of call that a double bottom. Hopefully we see it play out, because it does look very similar to here, right? We kind of had the same thing where it was a little bit of a double bottom and then a launch, right? Obviously, we're not taking off as aggressively as we did here, but maybe we could see something similar play out, right? It doesn't have to be exact. It doesn't always play out exactly how we think it will or how it did in the past, but a lot of times it's very similar, right? MC, we could take a look at Matic. Which one's more accurate time frame, 15-minute or 4-hour? With Market Cipher A and B. So if I'm not mistaken, I do believe that Market Cipher A was designed for the 1-hour time frame. It works on every single time frame. It works on crypto. It works on stocks. It works on commodities. It works on basically everything on every time frame. But I do think CryptoFace has mentioned that it is specifically designed for the 1 hour. But it is it's strong on every time frame. That's for sure. Do you guys think alt season is starting? We are starting to see, right? Let's pull it up. Let's pull up Luna, guys. Luna has been crushing it. Where is she? We marked her. Look at that. Look how fast we found Luna tonight. We always have to search. But anyway, yeah, Luna has been absolutely dominating. Look at this. Look at this move. Boom. I think it was like 100% like 100% in the past few days. Absolutely ripping, right? You have the EMA ribbons right here crossing from gray to blue and white. That is bullish, showing trend reversal, right? And you can see vice versa as, the EMA ribbons are all spaced out, right? And then they start to constrict, signaling that there could be a trend reversal on the horizon. And then boom, they turn gray and you get the trend reversal. Just a little Market Cipher A sauce for you guys. You know what I'm saying? For anybody who doesn't know. But yeah, so that is a good sign seeing this. This is Luna, but this is nice, right? Daily money flow just creeping, guys. Look, this thing is like, it wants to go up and it's just snaking along here. Maybe we see this VWAP come down just a tiny bit to take a little quick breath of air, and then back up as the money flow crosses over. And if you get that VWAP crossover with the money flow crossover, that could be big moves for Luna. So definitely keeping an eye on that. So anybody get into any Luna trains? I'd love to know. All right, let's see. 45K is rough because the bears push it right back down like they did today. Yeah, absolutely. Yeah, we saw that happen live this morning. Yes. Let's see. Do you got? Did I miss drawing spider lines on Ethereum, or did we not cover that? Visa, we did not cover that yet. I'm gonna try to come out with a video. I personally don't even use them on Ethereum, but I know you can draw them on ETH. So maybe we'll come out with a tutorial video on how to do that. Thoughts on H-bar. Kevin says thoughts on H-bar. I missed H-bar, so I'm mad at it. That's my thoughts on it. No, I'm kidding. No, I think H-bar could be really big. I think there was like an Elon Musk tweet that he was like kind of hinting at H-bar. Could be very good. I heard about H-bar very early, contemplated getting in, but I just had no more money to invest, right? Like you can only buy so many coins. All right, let's see. Can we check mana? Yeah, let's look. Let's see. Kevin says Frankie is live in the morning. So I go on the BitBoy crypto stream in the morning on Mondays and Wednesdays. So I am live for about 5 minutes in the morning on Ben's show. But I'm thinking maybe we'll do like a morning TA video, like a quick little 5-minute update for the morning so you guys can wake up, check the video, kind of let you know what I'm thinking just generally, just a quick little video, nothing too fancy, just to get another video out for you guys to keep you updated on the markets. Let me know if you guys want to see that in the chat, because if you guys want to see that, I'll start getting that done. But yeah, I think we're probably going to hang out and stick to 5:45 for the full live streams, but then at least I can give you guys a little starter sauce in the morning there. All right, let's see. I love H-bar. H-bar has room to run. Yeah, we could take a look at H-bar. Someone said mana. Let's take a look at mana. Bada boom, baby. Let's see. Mana, where are you? Did I pass you? There he is. All right. Boom. All right, look at this. Look at that. Look at this. I love these candles. That just looks so good. Obviously, this was a while ago, but anyway. So yeah, it's probably gonna look, very similar, right? Money flow coming up on the daily as the VWAP is coming down. Guys, today's energy is brought to you by Black Coffee. I forgot to say that. Just spilled coffee on my computer. Oh no. It's okay. We have napkins. Anyway. Yeah, so let's see. I am wearing white sweatpants today, so I don't want to spill coffee on them. Anyway, yeah, mana. So red money flow wave coming up to the green, right? Or coming up towards the zero line, looking for a crossover there. Maybe we see the VWAP come down before that crossover, so might not happen just yet, but let's check the 4 hour. Tried to come up in the green, right? This is horrible. I mean, it doesn't get much closer than that, guys. It was halfway. That line literally almost came through and then got rejected down. But that's okay. It could curve back down, right? VWAP underneath the zero line, right? So maybe we see the money flow curve back up as the VWAP curves up at the same time. That could be another very, very powerful move, which would stick to our narrative that, alts might be looking to pop, right? Maybe we see Bitcoin fly up a little bit and then it starts to find a level where it's just going to start ranging, and then that's where the altcoins just start flinging out. They're just like boom, boom, 100%, 250%, right? Hopefully that's what we're looking for. But yeah, maybe if we can see those both come up at the same time, that would be very, very bullish. Let's check the 1 hour. VWAP over the zero line starting to come down a little bit. Maybe, yeah, we're going to see that VWAP probably come down a little bit before we come up, but you are at resistance there at about $2.77. So maybe that, we come down a little bit, VWAP comes back up, and that's where you break that resistance and come to higher levels. Let's look at the 15-minute. All right, I just love the 15-minute. Back in the green, VWAP coming back up here. Maybe this 15-minute money flow or 15-minute VWAP crossover could get us above this resistance, and then you see it flip it to support for higher price action. So let's see, 262 people in here, guys. Thank you so much for being here. Smash that like button. Speaking of the like button, remember you guys already have four wheel spins automatically because I totally forgot to do them yesterday. But let me just go grab the wheel of pain or pleasure really quickly. If I can get out of my chair. Be right back. Oh, God. All right. Almost took out a light there. There we go. There she is. Our wonderful silent wheel of pain and pleasure, right? This thing is going to be the death of me. Guys, I do have the disgusting jelly beans on the way. I have all my challenges written down. Don't worry, I will fulfill them, even if it's not, that same day. The jelly beans are on their way. Maybe we'll make that a consistent theme where I just have a bowl of disgusting jelly beans and we'll just keep it on the wheel. We'll put a couple of them on there, and if I land on it, maybe I eat a vomit-flavored jelly bean. You guys get to see me gag live on YouTube here. Let's see. So real quick, I just want to bring up Bitcoin one more time here on the daily, because I did have, actually, maybe I have it saved. Fibonacci. No, we don't have it. Okay. All right. So let me just pull a fib really quick here. There's our first random line of the night, guys. We have a lot of those on this stream. Just random white lines popping up. All right, here we go. Let's see. Bada boom. bada bing. Guys, can you hear that pinball machine? I'm sorry. If you guys hear a pinball machine, I do believe Ben's kids are upstairs playing pinball. We have a pinball machine at the office. So if you guys hear someone hitting a high score, that's what that is. Don't mind that. Anyway, yeah. So what is this? So all right. So golden pocket coming in at you know, about 54, 55, right? So that's why people are calling for 60. I mean, you'd have to get past that, but not impossible, right? But yeah, I just wanted to pull that because we had that up before and I do use it a lot. So I just wanted to pull that up there. Let's check chat. You forgot to kick the stream off with 4 spins. Oh, all right, guys, we'll do them right. You guys want to do them right now? All right, how about we do 2 now? Oh, we'll do them. We'll spin it. We'll see what happens. All right, let's see here. Let's see. Oh, here we go. Really gotta get another little clicky thing in here. Boom. Guys, this wheel is okay. 1-on-1 15-minute call. All right. So we'll just pick same rules. We'll just do the same rules as the NFT giveaway, right? Same thing. Video going up tonight. The stop loss video. You're gonna watch, like, and comment, and we will pick the winners. We'll pick 2 winners tomorrow. First one will be for the NFT. Second one will be for the 15-minute call. So yeah. So we got 2 15-minute calls. I'm gonna take that off of the board so we don't get. We got 2 of them. They could come back on at some point. But yeah. Oh, I don't have my expo marker. So we'll just have to. We'll just, if we land on the empty space, we'll just move it to the next one. Here we go. Spin number 2. Yeah, sorry about that, guys. I don't know how I just left the stream and then I saw you guys. Someone commented Frank Rugg pulled the wheel spins, and I was just like, oh my God, you're right. All right, let's see. Empty. We'll go this way, right? 20 jumping jacks. Here we go. I can't. This feels weird doing this early in the stream. I'm not gonna lie. I feel like I'm like supposed to be doing my homework, being the TA, and we're just doing jumping jacks instead. But we'll get right back to the TA. You guys wanted the wheel spin, so here we go. All right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Why did I do 20? 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. All right. I don't know why I put 20. I should have just put 10. All right. I feel like I'm more out of breath than I should be from 20 jumping jacks. All right, here we go. Spin number 3. Stop loss video. Nice. Bubba's Crypto. Let's go. What do we do for the NFT, Frank? TGAM, you just got to watch the stop loss video. It's going to be going up tonight. Keep an eye out for it. Click the notification bell so you know when it gets uploaded. And no way. This thing's rigged. 20 more jumping jacks. Okay. But yeah, you just want to watch, like, and comment on that video, and we'll be picking the winners from there. First winner will be NFT. Second winner will be the 15-minute one-on-one call. All right, 20 more jumping jacks. Killing me. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. All right. I think I ended wrong there. I think you're supposed to end like that, not like that, but whatever. Okay, here we go. Rowfield says I'm dead. Yeah, I don't know. This thing is rigged against me right now. Woo! Here we go. Last spin, right? That's spin number 4. All right, 1, 2, 3. Yeah, here we go. Celeb DM. What is that one? Little teapot? Oh, God, I forgot that's on there. I'm a little teapot. I'm not doing it. I didn't land on it. All right, Celeb DM. Who are we going to DM? Oh, God. All right, guys, put in chat who you want me to DM. Let me know. I think I think we did one yet. Was it yesterday? We've gotten Kevin Hart, Joe Rogan, Adam Sandler, I think was the last one. Adam Sandler, I said, hey, daddy, love the movies, I think. I don't know why I said it like that, but all right. Who we doing? Mike Tyson. Boom. That's the first one I saw. MC. We're doing Mike Tyson. God, imagine I'm like, hey, want to fight? And like by some fluke, he's just like, let's fight this random guy on Instagram and get myself in deep trouble. Hey, Mikey. Welcome to the Candle Mafia. Let's fight. Okay, there you go. So you guys don't know I'm lying. I don't know if you can see that, but I am actually going to send that. Oh, Gary V's a good one too. Gary V will be the next one. Dude, I don't know who actually reads Mike Tyson's DMs, but they're probably like, these celebrities are probably like, who is this guy? Or they probably just don't even see them. All right, so there's your four, what do you call it? What are they called? Wheel spins. There's your 4 wheel spins. Still, for every 100 likes we get, you guys get another wheel spin, another chance to get a giveaway. Again, guys, these giveaways are coming out of my pocket. We're not sponsored by any of these projects. I have no affiliation with any of these projects. These are just NFTs I thought were cool. I bought them to give away. You know, I do it because I appreciate you guys. DM Putin. I see you. But yeah, so I just do it because I appreciate you guys so much, and we're growing so fast. I appreciate the community. We're building a really, really cool thing here. James says, "Hey Frankie, what was the longest time you've held a long or short? Did you long the start of the bull cycle?" No, I did not long the beginning of the bull cycle. That would be a crazy trade. You'd pay a lot in fees, but I mean the gains would just be so ridiculous it just wouldn't matter. But I'll be honest, like I'm a short-term trader. Wow, these scammers. Who's taking these out so quick? Tony D, Captain Kirk, and Tyler just attacking the scammers in chat. Love it. Thank you guys. Anyway, but yeah, I mean, not too long. Typically, like most of my trades are very, very short term. I'd be in multiple trades a day, or you know, like the most I typically hold on like a regular basis is like I'll hold a trade for a few days, maybe a week. But I've held trades for a couple weeks or a few weeks, but not very often. I'm typically a scalper, or you know, shorter term swing trader, whatever you want to call it. I'm typically only in a trade like either just, you know, for a few hours or a day, or like at the longest on a regular basis, a couple days or a few days. I'll move my stop loss into profit, and then sometimes it just rips and you see the percentage gain and you see the money and you're just like, I'm out. You gotta pull profits. You know what I'm saying? But yeah, so let's see here. Ashton Kutcher, ask him about you. Mods on point with the scammers. Well done, fellas. Yeah, guys, just so you know, there's been a lot of scamming, a lot of scammers like pretending to be me and stuff on Instagram. Just know that if you accidentally follow the wrong account or something, just be aware. I will never in the history of this channel ever ask you for money. If someone hits you up and goes, "Hey, it's Frankie Candles, I want to help you trade and make money," I'm never going to ask you for money. Ever. The only thing I'll ever ask you for is your address so I can send you a giveaway. So just know that I'll never ask you guys for money. Be careful out there because they're starting to pop up. As you can see, they are popping up in the chat. But the mods get them out really quick. We got the best mods in the game. All right, let's go. Let's see. With that said, what is the chart we should focus on the most? I don't know if you mean coin or time frame. But let's see. All right. I don't think people follow that. All right. So let's take a look at some of the bigger, you know, alts that I keep an eye on. Taking a look at XRP, guys. Now, I have a very, very big XRP bag. And, you know, I listen, guys. Imagine if we get a settlement from the XRP case. A settlement from the XRP case could blow us up, right? If it ends in, you know, in a positive note for XRP, this is what could rip things to, you know, that could kick off altcoin season, right? Even if we see Bitcoin pump, right? And we come up to that 52K level, and then even if we start going down or moving sideways, and then the settlement happens and XRP has a huge rip, right? And whatever, we get some God candle, right? And it goes up a lot. That could kick off altcoin season, I think. Yeah, let's take a look here. Let's take a look. XRP Army. Yeah, you guys already did it. I literally went to go say throw up the X if you're in the XRP Army, and literally looked down. First thing I saw was hashtag XRP Army. You guys are out there strong. Let's go. All right. So daily, right, coming up with the money flow starting to curve down just a little bit here, but you know, nothing too alarming. I think, you know, generally, as I said, you generally just want to see good curvature, right? So connect the tops of the waves, and you know, you could kind of see that trend there. We are curving up, right? So Daily looks pretty good. I would like to see that money flow curving the opposite way, curving this way and not down. But, you know, even if we get a little wiggle here, you know, it still could come up. So daily not looking too bad. Let's look at the 4-hour. Kind of the same thing, right? VWAP coming up. You know, guys, I think the next video I'm going to shoot after this stop loss video goes up is probably going to be another strategy video. It's going to be the 4-hour, 15-minute strategy. We're going to drop a lot of sick sauce in that video. This is a very powerful strategy, and we're gonna cover that. You guys might know what I'm talking about if you watch the stream. If not, it's a very powerful strategy you can use to enter really profitable trades. So keep a lookout for that video. I'm thinking I'll probably shoot it tomorrow. Okay, so let's see here, right? 4-hour VWAP starting to come up, money flow curving up, looks good. Coming over to the 1-hour, you know, VWAP coming down, right? So not too horrible. Hopefully, we would like to see us hold this, you know, this 76 level here, this area of support. Maybe worst case, we come down and retest this area at about 75 before coming back up. But VWAP coming down, maybe you come down just a little bit. But guys, in my opinion, I think XRP, I mean, depending on what happens with the case, like, I mean, XRP is the biggest risk to reward. Like, it's risky, right? They're in an SEC lawsuit, very risky. But the reward, if they win, is going to be so insane, especially as long as it doesn't happen in the bottom of the bear market, which maybe that's what they're thinking. Maybe that's why it's taken so long. They don't want to let it rip in a bull market because we go nuts. But you know, I do think that it could really, you know, it's a risk, but the reward would be huge if they win the lawsuit. I mean, I think we'd be bullish for all crypto, right? We get some kind of regulatory clarity, and you know, could be good for crypto all around as long as it ends well and they're not just like, now we're banning all cryptos. I don't think that'll happen though, in my personal opinion. So yeah, 1 hour, not looking too shabby. Let's come down to the lower time frame, see what we can expect in the short term, right? VWAP tried to come up, got rejected, came back down. You know, and you know, we'll have to wait for that to come back up. But yeah, looking pretty good. Have you guys? I don't know if you guys watch Blockchain Backer. Let me see if I could try to find. So shout out to Blockchain Backer. This is where I found this in one of his videos. Someone showed me that he pulled this fractal from. Let's go to the daily. He pulled a fractal from. I think it was 20. Let me see. I was looking at it before. Where are we? We want to go to 2018. Let's see if we can find it. Oh, this is like, oh, was it here? No. I wish I had that. I wish I had it. I wish I had it up here. But guys, it's pretty crazy. If you guys don't know about the fractals, basically there's a tool here on TradingView where you can basically, right, you can select an area, right? And then it basically copies the pattern of the candles and you can place it and see where it matches up on, you know, future price movements, right? And there's a fractal on XRP. I wish I knew where it was. Actually, you know, this is actually cool enough for me to actually pull up a, I think it's the Bitstamp chart that's a little more mature here. Okay, yeah, I think this is it. Okay, let me just turn off Market Cipher A so we can see a little better. Okay, yeah, I think it was right here, if I'm not mistaken. Is it here? What is this? Yeah, I think it's right here. Guys, this 280, yeah, okay, I think it's right here. Guys, this is actually pretty, this is pretty crazy. Let's see. Yeah, I think it's like from here to here, and then, okay. So let's bring this all the way to our current price action, and let's see, right? Guys, I mean, just looking at these next to each other, do you not see an uncanny similarity, right? So it just fits like a glove, right? And you can actually just, oh no, I hate when that happens. All right, well, let me just readjust this because guys, this is actually very, very, very interesting. So, I mean, this is looking very, very similar, right? let me just shrink this down just a little bit. Boom. I mean, that is, you know, this is looking like pretty dang, let me actually stretch this out so we can see it a little better. Yeah, I mean, this is pretty nuts. Like, that is pretty close. Not saying that, like, it has to play out exactly how it did. I do believe this is the same fractal that he pulled. But I mean, even if you just separate them, like, that is a similar pattern. So, you know, doesn't mean that it's going to play out exactly like it. But I mean, Blockchain Backer was saying, you know, if you saw something like this, you know, it would have to happen very, very soon. But I did just think that was interesting with the fractal, how it did match up like pretty dang close. Looks very, very similar to that last run in 2018. All right, let's check chat really cool. He pulled it from the extension. Hey, Frankie, is Market Cipher better on normal candles or Heikinashi? I use Heikinashi candles, but it works on both. Sometimes a Market Cipher A will print a little bit different on regular candles than it will on Heikinashis, but I switch back and forth sometimes. Yeah, you can see like there's a green dot over here on the Heikinashi candles that disappears when you go to regular candles. So I mean, I check both sometimes, but I typically stick to Heikinashi candles, but it works for both. Oh, where does that fractal take XRP price wise? It takes it to about, I think, $10, I believe. Yeah, it takes it to like almost exactly $10. So that would be interesting. I think a lot of people were calling for a $10 XRP at the beginning of the bull run. So that would be hilarious if we saw that play out. It'd be absolutely insane. Can you change the settings in chat to sub only? It's what the community wants. Okay, sure. Yeah, I'll do that for next stream. I'm not sure exactly where to do that right now, but we will do it for next stream. I'll try to remember to do that. Never knew about the fractal tool. Here I am trying to track pattern trends by eye. Hey, Tony, you know, you got to do it. You know, before you find the tool, you got to do it somehow. The key is that you were trying to do it. But yeah, those fractals are pretty cool. I just thought that was very, very interesting. I mean, it fits like a glove. I mean, that's insane. But yeah, very interesting. Okay, let's see. But what are going back and then order it for? Wait, but what was going on back then in order for it to pump? Who knows? But you know, maybe you know, I don't remember exactly what caused that exact pump. But you know, maybe this time it's a SEC XRP lawsuit settlement. That could definitely, yeah, hopium law. Will says hopium. Yeah, you gotta give the people some hopium. You know what I'm saying? Hey, Frankie, which other scalping strategies do you use besides divergence? I mean, I use a ton. Ellie, thank you for the question. I use a ton of different ones. I'm thinking we're probably gonna do like strategy and like indicator reviews because there's a lot of like crazy indicators that you can use, you know, that are claimed to be buy and sell indicators, right? I never recommend people use those. It's typically doesn't really work out that well. Yeah, freedom, crypto phase. Yeah. So, yeah, Market Cipher is designed for Heikinashi candles, but it does work on regular candles as well. But yeah, you're right. Kind of like Market Cipher is designed for the 1 hour, but it works on the other time frames. It is designed for Heikinashis. You are right, but it does work on the regular candles for the most part. But yeah, thank you for pointing that out. I forgot to mention that. Crypto Anon, if it goes to $10, I will be very wealthy. Yeah, me too, Crypto Anon. If XRP goes to 10K, I'm going to start the stream. I don't know how, but it's going to be insane. There's probably just going to be money falling from the ceiling the entire 2-hour stream. It pumped because it's one of the best cryptos out. Hey, Crypto Anon, let's go. Frankie, what is the max leverage you've ever traded with? I mean, MC Crypto asked that question. I mean, I've traded with every kind of leverage. I am not recommending, you know, in the beginning, I tried everything, right? You know, and I was just learning, you know, I tried a little bit of everything, quickly figured out what worked, what didn't. But yeah, I mean, the 100X, I've had 100X trades. I don't recommend you guys use 100X at all. I wouldn't recommend going over 10X. The most I trade with now is probably like 15. I very rarely even use 15 or go over 15. But if I do trade with higher leverage, I lower my position size, right? So I won't trade with as much money just because it is a lot riskier. All right, let's see. Look at the live. Look at the live viewer ratio. Yeah, let's go, guys. 336 concurrent viewers. Thank you all for being here. Welcome to the strongest crypto community. One of the strongest crypto communities, because we got CandleMafia in here, but CandleMafia and Bit Squad, right? I know a lot of the CandleMafias came from the Bit Squad, right? So at BitBoy Crypto and Hit Network, we have some of the strongest crypto communities and YouTube communities on the entire platform. But yeah, if you're new, welcome to the channel where we teach you how to make money trading crypto, whether the price is pumping or dumping, so you can make that bread, right? I'm Frankie, and I am in here in the New York Bagel Factory. Count the sesame seeds so you don't have to. We're making everything bagels. We're making the baguettes so we can get that bread. You know what I'm saying? And then I give you a little bit of sauce to eat with your bread. All right, let's see. You'll be looking like Richard Hart if it pumps like that. Yeah, right? Just Louis Vuitton everywhere. I have Rolexes spinning in the background, hypnotizing you. He said XRP to 10K. No, $10. Did I say 10K? I did not mean 10K if I said that. Only 1,000 XRP. Hey, dude, Dubbeld63. Hey, 1,000 XRP? That's nothing to scoff at. XRP Army, let's go. With the strongest TA analyzer. Uncle Jimmy, thank you for that. Let's go. Killing it, brother. So happy for you, Frankie. Crypto Anon, I appreciate you, man. So saucy. I love when you guys say that. So saucy. You the man, Frankie. Thank you, guys. Zach, thank you for that. I appreciate that. Ryan Padicio. Padicio. I don't know how you say that, but what's going on, man? Welcome to the stream. Any juicy trades you're seeing? Let's take a look. What is the Bitcoins doing? Oh, back at 43. That's gross. Anyway. Yeah, so like I said, I am looking for this daily money flow crossover, right? That is what I think. If we are going to get a massive move, I think it's probably going to happen on that daily money flow crossover. We got 16 minutes to print another candle, so let's see what happens here. We'll check back in on this. But yeah, I mean, I haven't really seen too much, right? Let's come down to the lower time frames because, I'm just a degen at heart. I'm just kidding, guys. You don't have to be a degen to trade the lower time frames. If you have good risk management and you're using a strategy and following your rules, it doesn't have to be risky. I mean, it is leverage trading is risky in nature, but if you have a stop loss, you're not going to get liquidated. You know what I'm saying? Hey, Frankie, hope you're good, man. Hey, Jesse, what's going on, man? Or Jesse girl. I don't know if it's Jesse boy or Jesse girl. I'm sorry, but Jesse, what's going on? Good to see you again. I'm doing good. I'm doing good. I hope you're doing good as well. Are you going to have ways to support the channel other than the like button and subbing? Yes, Jonathan, I am waiting. I need some stuff. I'm working with TJ to get the monetization going, and we're going to have super chats. Well, hopefully we get some merch going. We're getting into it. Maybe I did mention this. We might do, I was talking to, Frankie is a good boy. Thank you, MC. I was talking to the NFT update guys, or now NFT alpha guys, and we were thinking about maybe doing a free CandleMafia NFT airdrop, right? Where we airdrop the loyal members of this community a free Frankie Candles NFT, right? And we were thinking some cool ideas for these NFT for the artwork. But you guys would basically, it'd be a Cardano NFT. So all you would have to do is pay the fees, which would probably be like 3 Cardano. So very, very small fee, but it would basically be a free airdrop, right? And then you guys can trade them amongst yourselves and maybe they go up, who knows? But I think that would be really cool. And then basically what would happen is if you hold an NFT, right, maybe you get special access to certain things like, a special Discord channel on a Discord or, whatever it is, you could get some special access to places if you hold a Frankie Candles NFT. So that is, we've been thinking about that and kind of chatting about it. So maybe that's coming in the future. I lost a lot of money leverage trading red robbles. Yeah, I mean, it's a risky game to play if you're not using the right strategies or the right risk management. But hey, if you're willing to give it another shot, you're in the right place. Hands down, best community ever. Yes, Crypto Anon. Thank you for that. Let's see. We want CandleMafia swag. Yeah, we're going to have to get working on that. That would be really, really cool. Frankie, how much do you usually trade with and how much leverage? Lost Profit. What's going on? I met Lost Profit at a meetup. He's a very cool dude. So my trading has changed a little bit now because I spend so much time doing the channel. As you guys know, like a bunch of streams, I've mentioned like trades that I've missed, right? So just because I'm always editing a video or shooting a video, I see a setup, I'm waiting for it to confirm, and then I finish editing the video and I look at it and it's over, I missed the trade. I don't FOMO into the trades because that's important not to do. But I mean, I don't like to hunt for, obviously you look at the charts and you try to find the trades, but you want to let the trades come to you. You don't want to try to force any trades because sometimes you can get the itch, right? You're like, oh, I want to get into a trade, but it's usually a bad idea. It usually winds up going south. So I like to let the trades come to me. So it's whatever the chart. Sometimes the chart gods bless you with a bunch of really good trades, and sometimes the chart gods are napping and there's not much opportunity. But so it really depends. And how much money? It depends. It depends on the leverage. Or you said how much leverage. Typically, and we know it won't be a rug pull. Yeah, Matt, guys, anyone from anything affiliated with us will never be a rug pull. Trust me. I trust me. Yeah, as far as leverage, I typically trade with 10x leverage or lower. Sometimes I'll do 15 if I feel really confident. But like I said, I will lower my position size a little bit to mitigate a little of the extra risk. Yeah, I would say like usually 10x is the sweet spot when I'm scalping, just so I can get these small moves to be a little bit bigger gains. But yeah, it depends. It really depends. Can't learn to walk without failing at first. You will have losses. That's why stop losses and Frank's trading psychology video are important. Yeah, guys, please check out the psychology video. It's, again, the least watched video on my channel, but definitely the most important. All right, let's see here. Let's see. The Board Sauce Candle Club. Let's go. I like that. Koj, I like that. Frankie NFT should be different versions of Frankie, right? One's me with the blowout, and then one's me of like a nerdy little kid, and then the other one's of me of like a baby. Oh, God. All right, let's see. Frank the Tank, do you follow any other ISO 2022 tokens, and which is your favorite? We could go over it. We could talk about that a little bit. But yeah, you look like you just got out of the army training with your shirt today, Mr. Candles. Hoorah! Hit Ryan. Yeah, you're right. Oh, he's got the army green on today, right? That's for the XRP Army. We're hoping for a breakout soon. Let's go. Guys, the new merch for BitBoy Crypto is insane. They have like, the quality is insane. We're using a new company or new people to do the merch with us. And like, we have XRP Army jerseys that are like actual high quality stitched jerseys. They are sick. We have a lot of really cool merch coming out. Frankie, big hello from Dubai. Can you please look at Solana? Yeah, we'll look at a Solana right now. Vito boss. Hey, Vito, what's going on? I think he's from my neighborhood, right? Before he moved to Dubai. Before he got rich in crypto, moved to Dubai. Vito, yeah, let's take a look at Solana here. Let's see, bada boom, bada bing. Coming in at $100.56. So kind of the same thing, right? A lot of these are going to look similar. I know I say this all the time. But yeah, daily money flow coming up. Let's see. Let's look at the 4 hour. VWAP down, but you're still in the green. I think this VWAP will probably come up, and looks like you could have a little bit of a bullish continuation here. Let's see. 1 hour. VWAP coming up. Look at that VWAP just flattened out, just up and flattened out right there. But looks like it's probably going to push through there. Yeah, usually, guys, sometimes, not all the time, but when you have these like very big VWAPs that have been below the zero line for a long time and are very long like this, and they come up and they go back down, they come up, go back down, that usually sometimes has a very big pop to the upside. It could work either way. Sometimes they're small moves. Let's see what happened at this one. Yeah, you got a nice little move there. But yeah. Let's see. So VWAP coming up, that could possibly bring you, above this fib level right here, at about 101. So let's hope maybe this 1 hour VWAP crossover could bring you up, right? You're thick in the green. Money flow coming down a bit, but I think this VWAP might be able to push it back into the green, further into the green at least. Let's check the 15-minute. Okay, so this, right? I talk about this a lot, guys. When you see these little trigger waves that don't come very high over the zero line, like this is just a little baby wave with a red dot, typically you do see a pretty decent move to the downside, right? So, but that's the 15-minute, right? That 1 hour still looks pretty good. So yeah, there is Solana for you. Let's see. Thanks, Frankie. I wish I was the guy you met, but it wasn't me. Oh, no, Lost Prophet, I didn't meet you. Or maybe it was part-time. I think it was part-time chemist that I met. Lost Profit. I could have sworn I met somebody and I asked them their YouTube name and it was something Profit, but maybe not. But yeah, I really want to meet all you guys though. Ben, TJ, DZ, and you also. Yeah, absolutely. I don't know where you're located, but hopefully we can get to a meetup near you, and you know, we can chat it up a little bit. I'm excited for some merch. I'll be proud to rep the hashtag BitSquad, hashtag CandleMafia. Let's go, Bubba's Crypto. Let's go. If you have no home, you are homeless. If you have no hope, you are hopeless. If you have no robe, you are robeless. That's how it's pronounced. Oh, gotcha. I was like, what? Red robeless. Gotcha. Okay. Can you please look at Matic and give your thoughts where it's heading? Yes, Kevin, I got you right now. VC money controls Solana. Yeah, I know. There's a big. Yeah, I know a lot of people talk about that. But yeah, okay. Taking a look at Matic. Do I have Matic on here? Where is Matic? Bada boom, bada boom, bada boom, bada boom. Matic. No Matic. I think I might have passed it. I think we do have it on here, but I'm just going to type it in. Okay, let's see here. Which one do we want? Let's look at the FTX maybe. Okay. All right. Little Matic USD here. All right, starting on the daily. Or you said you wanted me to say where I think it could go. All right, let's see. Short term, let's see. Let's pull a little bit of fib action right here. Now, guys, if you have not watched the Fibonacci video, definitely go watch the Fibonacci video. A lot of good thick sauce in that video. I show you guys when to use it to trade, when not to use it to trade, because there's specific times that you don't want to use it to trade. And then we talk about the golden pocket. I show you how to set up so you can get this same little golden pocket, which is a very strong area of support and resistance. So definitely check that video out if you're looking to learn and trade off the Fibonacci. All right, so let's see. Daily money flow coming up. VWAP above the 0 line. We could see this curve back down a little bit, but not looking too bad, right? You know, if you did break this fib level right here, the 3, what is that? The what is this? Oh, it's the 236. So listen, if we could get above this, right? For the most part, my next target would probably be this next fib level at $1.80, or about $1.88, almost $1.90. Yeah, probably, yeah, $1.89, not too bad. What would that give you if you were to break out of here and come up here? Nice little 14% gain, not bad. Throw some leverage on that bad boy. Excuse me, throw some leverage on that bad boy. Solana's biggest letdown coin. All right, Frank, you the man. William Young, I appreciate you. Let's go. So yeah, I mean, I would be looking at that, but daily, looking at the same basically as everything else. Taking a look at the 4-hour. Green money flow crossover on the 4-hour looks pretty good. VWAP below the 0 line, but if you could see this quickly kind of just come down for air and curve back up, I think you could break this fib line. And then maybe you pull a move like this where you pop up, come down, test it as support, and then that's when you start working your way up towards this fib level right here. All right, let's check, and then let's just take a look at the 1-hour. Thick in the green on the 1-hour. Printed a little trigger wave. This is kind of like you came down a little bit and then you came up a little bit. This is indicating, you know, possible sideways, just kind of sideways boring action. Just a little crabbing along this little resistance line. But hey, if you come down to the lower time frames, the 5-minute, let's see, like you're starting to mess around on this level. You're binging, you're bonging, a little bing bong action, bing bong, bing bong, bing bong, right? And you're knocking on the door. You're knocking on the door. You're knocking on the door. You broke through a little bit. They kicked you out. You not broke through a little bit. They kicked you out. Now you broke through a little bit. They kicked you out again. But the more you fight, the more you knock. Guys, we talk about this. Here's a little bit of sauce for you guys. Look at this. When you're approaching resistance, right? When you're approaching resistance, making higher highs, right? This was a lower low, but generally higher high, higher high, higher high, higher high, blah, 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 blah. I don't want to say that word anymore. It's getting annoying. Boom, right? And you generally are trending upwards towards a resistance line. It is likely that it is more probable that you will break up, right? Instead of getting a big rejection down. So just a little bit of sauce, right? And the same thing goes for, let's just real quick while we're giving you the sauce here. If you did have price, right, boom, right? And you have price coming down, lower low, lower low, lower low, lower low, or lower high, and you know your price is coming down like that. Chances are when you get to this area, you're probably going to squeeze down rather than up, right? Sometimes you will break out and up, but when you're approaching, this is basically showing that the bears are in control, right? The bears come in and sell, and then the bulls try to come in. They make a lower high, even though that's not very accurate. They make a lower high, come down. The bears push it down. The bulls try to come back again. They can't get back up higher. The bulls push them down lower and lower and lower before you break down. So there you go. A little bit of sauce for you guys. If you are seeing yourself price approaching a resistance level or a support level, you can look for these little tricks so you can, you know, try to figure out if you're going to break down or break up. All right, let's see. Thank you, Frankie. I got into Matic at $1.34 to make a quick trade, and also got $1.80 when I did my TA on it. $1.30 to make a quick trade. I also got $1.80. All right, let's go. Let's go, Kevin. Let's go. Frankie would be interested in knowing what you think of Costa based off charts. We could take a look. We'll take a look. Put that at the end of the stream. Throw it in chat. We'll look at it at the end of the stream. That's usually when we look at all the requested alts. High or low? Did I say low or high? Guys, every time I say the high or low or low or high, sometimes I say the opposite because I say them so often, I get jumbled. Or are you just asking, James, or are you just asking what a high or low is? Let me know in the chat, because if you're asking what a high or low is, I can explain it. Po Folks Gain Gang says, bing bong, let's go. XRP 1 hour zoomed out looks like a triangle. Let's check it out. XRP, the coin of the people. That's what I'm coining that, you know, XRP, coin of the people. All right, let's see here. Zoomed out on the 1 hour looks like a triangle. Let's see. I mean, I don't know exactly where you're looking, but I do have to say, like, you know, this kind of looks similar to right here, right, where you came up and then you zigged, you binged and you bonged, and you binged and you bonged, and then you came back up, right? And now we're binging and we're bonging down, right? Little bull flag type setup, like something like that. Maybe you break up. So possible. I'm not sure exactly where you're looking at for the triangle, but yeah. Let's see. Check out the 4 and the 6 hour on ADA. Let's go ahead and take a look. Here it is, Cardano. There's a random line, guys. Can't get rid of these random lines. All right, what do you say, 1 hour and 4 hour? Looking at 4 hour and 6 hour and ADA, looks like it may be getting ready. 4 hour and 6 hour. Let's take a look at the 4 hour. Bada boom. Yeah, I mean, a lot of these alts are looking like they're primed to go, right? Maybe. Those are some interesting candlesticks. You're coming down to test, and then you're going to come up. Hopefully, right? A lot of times you'll break out, come down to test this, and a lot of people look for longs in these areas when you break through resistance and then come and test the support. With market Cipher confluence, it could be a good trade. You do have the money flow and the VWAP curving up. That money flow really wants to curve up, money flow curving down and kind of up as well. Maybe we get these to cross over at the same time, guys. It could be big, and then the 6 hour chart as well. Wow, money flow aggressive. What is with that? Money flow aggressively curved down on the 6 hour. Interesting. You know, nothing too alarming, but you do have the VWAP below, but maybe you see these come up together. These alts don't look horrible. These alts do not look horrible. Dan Totten, welcome to chat, my friend. Welcome to chat. Each bing bong cost me a penny. No more bing bong. That's what Dan Totten says. You look at a possible triangle, but you refuse to look at the moon. Refuse to look at the moon. We're always looking out at the moon. That's where we're looking to go. Got to keep your eyes on the prize or your eyes on the cheese, I guess. But yeah, let's see. Yeah, I had been wondering when they would show up, Law. Frankie killing these for show, though. Hey, Coach, I appreciate that. Law, I just bought that random line. No, don't buy random lines. I'm just kidding, Blue. Thank you for coming back, Blue Punk Rocker. You've been in here a bunch of times. Check out Sushi. Might be primed to bounce. It's been beat down bad. Yeah, I mean, a lot of these alts have just gotten hammered. We can take a look at sushi in a bit. I sent you an ADA chart on your Twitter, Frankie. Ooh, Jonas, I'll check that out. I think it's why the Discord's going to be really, really, really cool. We're going to be able to share our charts. I can share my TA. You can share your TA. You guys can share with each other, learn from each other, learn from me. And maybe, just maybe, sneak a little trade call in there once in a while. You never know. 4-hour chart looks blue wave, red dots. 4-hour chart, check blue wave, red dots. On what coin, Deep Kush? I'm not sure what coin you're talking about. When alt season. Yeah, did I put that in the title? Yeah, I almost did that. I almost put that when alt season because that's the big question. That's the big question. Hopefully soon. Target for Bitcoin. Oh gosh, I don't even want to try to pronounce this. Ramanoir. I don't know how to say that. Sorry, brother or sister. I don't know with these YouTube names. I don't know what to call you guys. But we talked about this. My target, I do think that we do have the possibility, if the weekly keeps looking more bullish and more bullish, I think we do have the possibility to relief pump up to between 48 and 52K, right? We'll reassess when we get there to see if we can go higher. But, we do have this yellow dotted spider line at about 52K. So that's kind of what I have my eyes on. We will be making, most likely be making stops along the way. We got 46. We got 46, 48, 50. You got the psychological level at 50. And then, hopefully working our way up to 52. And we'll see if we can make new all-time highs. I personally don't lean that way. I lean more that we're in a bear market already. But, that's not to say that we can't make all-time highs again for Bitcoin this cycle. It's not impossible in my opinion. I just do lean a little bit closer to a little bit more on the end of that we could possibly be in a bear market. 353, guys. Let's go. Thank you for the likes. Let's get it up to 400. I think we can do it. We're about an hour and 22 minutes in. I think we can get it up to 400 by the end. And that would have been 8 spins today, guys. 8 wheel spins. You guys are getting the spins tonight. Hopefully not the kind of spins that aren't very fun. You said a candle close in 16 minutes on BTC. Please see the confirmed bullish. Oh, yeah, let's check it. Let's check it. Daily close. Did we miss it? Oh, we missed it by like 5 minutes. Okay, so let's see. All right, well, not too much more information here. But yeah, we did close higher than the last candle, which is a decent sign. Looks like we did close and we are printing above this spider line. Could be good, right? Money flow still just teasing us with this little curve out. So hopefully we could see this round off a little bit and start going closer to the 0 line. But that could be big if we do see that crossover. So there you go. New daily candle officially printed. All right, let's see. Late, but here as... Oh, hey, Chris Weeks, what's going on? What up, CandleMafia? What's going on, Chris Weeks? The moon phase indicator, BTC one day. Let's pull up the moon phase indicator. Let's do it. Someone explained to me, I forget what the exact answer was, but someone actually explained to me why the moon phase indicator actually works. And it's like some really, really simple thing. I forget what it is. I mean, who knows? I don't think gravity, the gravitational, I mean, who knows what is actually playing out. But I don't look at this, so I don't even really know how to use it. But I mean, is this the idea? Like moon here, pump, moon here, dump, moon here, pump, moon here, dump, moon here, pump. Is that the idea? Finally. Yeah. 400 likes and candles, takes his hat off for the rest of the stream. It's actually funny, guys. I've been wearing a hat. I've been wearing hats. I do wear hats a lot, but I do often also not wear hats. But I started streaming with the hat, so I kind of just feel like we got to keep it going. But yeah, sure, 400 likes. I'll take my hat off for the stream. It's gonna be super hat hair, but hey, I do it for you guys. Am I seeing this correctly on the 1 hour chart for XRP? There's a bullish divergence on the RSI. Let's check it. XRP. Okay, I'm going to take the moon phases off just because it's kind of jumbles up the chart there. New moon bottom, full moon top. Gotcha. Okay, so that is kind of how it works. Gotcha. Makes sense. Yeah, it is kind of crazy how that works. Frank the Tank, I'm late, but I'm here. Hey, Chuck Smith, welcome back. Thank you for being here. Okay, let us see. Let me get rid of the moon phases again. Boom, so we can actually see. Okay. What'd you say? XRP 1 hour chart divergence. Let's see. So I think this is probably what you're talking about from this to this. Now, this is right. Like I do say these do play out sometimes, right? When you just have momentum coming up and you have a big wave and then a little wave like that. I think Jason Casper, I know a lot of you guys shout this out in the chat. I think Jason Casper calls them uneven butt cheeks, which is hilarious. Yeah, sometimes those play out alone, but really what you're looking for a good bullish divergence is you're looking to be making this, you want momentum coming to the upside, right? So you have a low and a higher low. And then what you really want to see is price making a low and then a lower low. So you can make a line coming down like this. So you have a line coming down like this on price and a line coming up like that on your momentum waves. And that is what you're looking for a bullish divergence. However, sometimes when you see it just play out on the momentum waves, sometimes it does play out. Let me see if I can find a quick example of where there was no actual bullish divergence, but it actually played out. Like right here is probably a good example. You know, kind of hard to see on these momentum waves, but you do have a wave here and then a smaller wave right there, right? So it's coming up. And then, you know, did price come lower? I guess price did come lower very, very, very slightly. But yeah, sometimes it plays out without the price movement. But really for the strong moves, you do want to see the price also coming down, making a lower low. If you guys want to learn how to trade divergences or learn anything more about divergences, when to use them, how to spot them, what to look for, then check out the divergence video. Easiest trading strategy for beginners. He said XRP, didn't he? This is Bitcoin. Did he say XRP? I'm sorry. So, well, there you go. There's a little divergence sauce for you. So let's see if there's actually a bullish divergence. Okay. All right, let's see here. Thank you for pointing that out, guys. Let's see. So you do have your momentum waves making a slightly higher high here while let's come up. Yes. Okay, right here. So from this candle down to this candle. Yeah, I mean, yeah, that plays, right? So you have a lower low on your price and you have a slightly higher high on your momentum waves. Yeah, and I'm sure the RSI looks very similar. You said you pulled it up on the RSI. Typically, it looks very, very similar. But just in case it is not the same, let's just pull up the RSI and see if it plays out the same. Boom. Oh, pulled up two RSIs, double RSI. Not good. Yeah, so yeah, right here to here, kind of the same thing. You got that line going down. Yeah, that would, yeah, good job. I forgot who said that now because the whole Bitcoin mishap. But yeah, no, you are right. Very, very hard to spot. But yeah, technically that would be a bullish divergence. So I hope that helps you. I hope that helps. It is an indicator, not a genie. Yes, Hoj, yes. You guys know, that's why we talk about you want confirmations, right? You don't want to just trade based off of one thing. But if you're coming down to a key support level and then you see a bullish divergence printing, right, that would be a confirmation that, and then you have money flow coming up. You see something else on Market Cipher B that's indicating that it could go up. The more confirmations, the better. Okay, let's see here. What platform do you recommend to trade on leverage? You'll see pinned at the top of the chat is a link to FEMAX. If you sign up with my link, you do get a little signing bonus, I believe. So you get a little extra money to trade with, and it helps out the channel. So win-win, win for me, win for you. But yeah, I use FEMAX for the most part. Bybit's pretty good, but I use FEMAX. Depending on where you live, you might have to use a VPN. So if you do want to sign up, click that link pinned to the chat, and it will take you right over to registration. And yeah, you can get started trading right away. How about blue waves and dots? How about like how do they work? I don't know. I don't really understand exactly what that question is, Deep Kush. But if you go watch the Market Cipher B tutorial video, I should be covering everything there. So yeah, check that out. It's a pretty quick video, and I think I explain it very, very simply. Yes, that is the BTC chart. Yeah, sorry about that, guys. Or how to be on. Yeah, Michael, I see you. I see you. Koj. Oh, that's pretty awesome. I will use moon phases and self-fulfilling prophecies till I'm a godfather with y'all. Let's go, Koj. Yeah, crypto godfathers over here. Crypto godfathers. Let's go. CandleMafia, La Familia. Let's go. What about ETH? We'll check out ETH right now. Good to know for my own TA. Keep improving. Thanks for confirming. No problem, Saver. I got your back. What's the diversion video called? Not seeing it. Oh, it's called Easiest Trading Strategy for Beginners. Yeah, that's a great video. I think it give you guys a lot of confirmation or a lot of confidence when trading. Like if you're kind of wishy-washy on when to enter, these bullish divergences, I think could be being able to spot these bullish divergences could be the thing that can like tick you over the edge and give you the confidence to get into that trade. So definitely check that out. When going in a trade, how much is TA or gut feeling? You want it to be, oh God, we're gonna freeze, aren't we? I'm getting a warning here on YouTube. But yeah, listen, you don't listen. You want to stay away from the gut, right? You want to go based off of your TA and you want to be go based off of your strategy. You want to come up with a strategy, and we're going to be putting a lot of them on the channel. The divergent strategy is there. You want to come up with a strategy or find a strategy, whether it's on my channel or someone else's channel or whatever it is, or your own strategy. You want to come up with a strategy, test it over a bunch of trades, find out if it's profitable. And I'm going to show you guys a really cool site you can use to find out, you know, how you could figure out if your strategy is going to be profitable. I think maybe we'll bring it up today or in next stream, but you want to go off your TA and you want to follow your strategy rules, and that's what you want to base it off of. You don't want to base it off of gut. Common misconception when trading. But yeah, you know, your gut is inevitably going to play a part, right? Like you're going to look at your TA and be like, oh, that bullish divergence looks good, but the money flow is coming down, the Vwap, whatever. You know, but your gut's going to try to come in. You want to keep your gut and your emotion out of it, and you want to keep it a numbers game, a TA game, a strategy game, not determination, a discipline game, right? So stick to the plan. Don't worry about your gut. Keep the emotions out of it. Again, check out that trading psychology video. I talk about all that in there. It's very important. Can we get 420 likes, guys? New like goal. We're going for 420. Let's go. I like that, Jonathan. Also, watch the last BitBoy live stream when he interviewed Chart Champions. Yeah, we had Chart Champions on, I believe, yesterday. A lot of good stuff on there. I think we're going to try to get a little collab going between us and Chart Champions as well. Sub chat is good. Yeah, we're going to get the sub chat going. Tony D, I blame it for the success of a lot of TA channels right now. The psychology of the dude that made the TA is a basic example of what the psychology of a trader should have down pat while trading. Yes. Like done. Let's go. 381. Let's go, guys. We're getting 420. That's what we're going for. 420. And we'll do some kind of funny, I don't know, some kind of crazy funny challenge or something. Hey, Frankie, can you take a look at Zcash? Yeah, sure. Highlighting you there, Chris, so we don't miss it. In which video need to comment to win today? We're not going to be picking the winner today, but we're uploading a video tonight. It's going to be called... guys, I make so many videos now. I don't even remember what it's called. What was the video? It was... it's a stop loss video. Let me see if I can pop. I can't pop it up. It's going to be the stop loss video. Click the notification bell so you get notified when I upload it right after the stream. Probably around like 8:15, something like that. So keep an eye out for that. And then so just the newest video on the channel tonight. You're going to watch it, like it, and comment and be a subscriber, and you will be entered in to either win an NFT or a 15-minute one-on-one call with me. All right, let's go. Hit the ganja goal. You guys are funny. All right. Bullish on SHIB and Doge Elon. Joseph, let's go. I don't typically recommend investing in meme coins. I personally never do it. They have no use case. But that's, again, I'm not coming off as a hater, right? I just want to say I don't personally buy them. That is not to say that you can't make a lot of money with them. I personally just invest in projects that have actual use case that will be around in years to come. And most meme coins are not going to be around years to come because they have no use case. Granted, Doge is in there in the top coins, right? Doge has been grandfathered in, and Doge knighted SHIB to be up there as well. But I just invest in good projects that are going to be around for a long time. But that's not to say you can't make money. All right, let's see. Yes, the stop loss. I want to see it. Yes, Patricio. Yeah, keep an eye out for that coming up tonight. Okay, so we're gonna look at where did I highlight that? Okay, yeah, Zcash. Let's take a look at Zcash. I think I have it on here somewhere, but let's just search it. Binance chart. Bada boom. Ooh, little Zcash. Actually, fun fact, guys. Zcash was one of the. I actually used to trade Zcash a lot. I don't know why. I don't know why. I just thought it was fun. I don't really know why. I have like a weird past with Zcash for some reason. Anyway. Guys, I drink like that all the time, just so you know. Like, even when I'm not on camera, I just drink like that. I'm a loud drinker. Get at me. Anyway, nah, I'm kidding. Anyway, another random line. Okay, here we go. Let's take a look. Coming over to the daily. The daily. Ooh, baby, look at that. Daily money flow, like everything else, coming up, right? You know, kind of flattening out. Same old story. Everything's going to look very, very similar to Bitcoin, right? Some of the alts look pretty primed, but yeah, I mean, you are coming up to this level right about here. So you're definitely going to find some resistance, as you kind of started to already. You started finding resistance more at this top right here. But yeah, you're probably going to get some sort of rejection down here. So this is kind of where you could start if you wanted to scalp, right? So let's come down to like, let's see what it looks like on the 1 hour. Yeah, so like you could come down to the 15-minute in this case. All right, let's see. So this is kind of where I would be looking, right? Not specifically on Zcash, but like when you have price approaching resistance like this, right? So let's say you continue in this pattern, right? You come up a little bit, you correct, then you come up a little bit. When you come up to this resistance, possibly if you have a wave like that and like this, right? And then you can connect your little bearish divergence line, your line coming down, right? You have a high, a lower high, and then you would have a high and a higher high, and you're coming up to that resistance, and you have so you have the bearish divergence, right? That open alligator mouth, and then you're also coming up to a resistance level that you have respected in the past. That can be a little confirmation to enter a short based off the bullish divergence and that resistance level. Like a little scalp on the 15-minute, it would be a very little scalp, right? So you wouldn't be going for much of a move, but you put some leverage on it. And you don't need that much of a move, right? Like, I mean, even if you came down that much, that's 2%, 20% profit with 10x leverage. That's money in the bank or in your wallet or in your FEMAX account. You know what I'm saying? But yeah, there you go. But yeah, there's Zcash for you. And there's a little divergence confirmation market Cipher B sauce for you. You know what I'm saying? I wonder where that sauce went. I think somebody threw that sauce out, thank God. Oh no, it's over there. I see it. The cap broke, so it's kind of open. Anyway, all right, let's check chat real quick. Looking forward to the video. Hope, I appreciate that. I'll look forward to uploading it, and I look forward to helping you guys. While ASMR drinking. Yeah, we love ASMR drinking over here. Add me and the other mods on Discord. Oh, that was to them. Okay, cool. Yeah, I gotta jump in that Discord. I'm gonna try to do that tonight. Like done, and I bought that random line again. Blue Punk Rocker just buying lines all over the place. Guys, 395 likes. Thank you so much. Let's get it to 420 by the end of the stream. We got a few minutes left here. So I think we can get there. If you guys like the number 420, right? If you like the number 420, smash the like button, and make sure when we get to 420, you cut it off so we stay there. Anyway, you guys are crazy. Sorry, Prince Street is what I got, which is famous in New York. New York Prime Pizza is good too in LA. All right, let's go. I forget the name of my favorite place in the city. Favorite pizza place. I forget the name. Oh, it's so good though. I mean, you can't get bad pizza in New York City. That's just a fact. You get pizza at the train station, some of the best pizza you ever have. Can you check Elron? Yeah, we can look at Elron, but I don't think we've ever looked at Elron on this channel. Got nothing to point out today. Just wanted to say hi. Joshua Franks, what's going on? Love the last name as always. Diane Tom says, moldy sauce. Smash those likes. Do you hold any other fintech crypto than XRP, Frankie? Like for example, yeah, I hold a little bit of XLM. But that's about it. Yeah, Elrond, we got Elrond, 420 LFG. Whoever doesn't like 69 or 420 isn't part of the community. Oh, 404, guys. We're getting close. I mean, look at my hat. I can't see your hat, Doug, but I bet you I can guess what it has on it. Hey, Amber, what's going on? Welcome back. I see you, Hoj. I see you, Hoj. Let's see. I sold Luna at $50. No problem, Thomas. Okay, you can't win them all. Bob Marley's number. Smash the like button. Can you check RNDR? Yeah, we could check that. We're going to check Elron and RNDR. We'll check RNDR first. Is that render token going absolutely nuts? Okay. No, I guess it's not. Or did I click the wrong? Oh, this is the Bitcoin. RNDR. Okay, I hear a really weird sound here, guys. There's a lot of weird sounds that go on, on the in this studio. Let me just. I like to see what these coins are. Let me. Where's the search bar? There we go. All right, RNDR. Yeah, it is. Why is it? Didn't this thing pump like? Didn't this thing like rock? I thought this thing was going nuts right now. I guess not. Interesting. Oh, we're on a 15-minute. That's why. Okay. Here we go. Going over to the daily. Yeah, there. That looks more like it. Okay. All right. Yeah, what was this thing? This was like one of the top gainers today. Let's just go past like 2 or 3 days. Yeah, up like 40% in the past few days. Not bad. Came down a little bit, right? Anytime something goes up like crazy like that, you got to expect it to come down at some point, right? Can't go up forever. Oh, lost my chat here. Can't go up forever, ever, right? So, yeah, let's check the 4-hour, right? Daily, I mean, money flow looks the same. Green coming out, money flow coming out on the 4-hour. VWAP starting to curve around a little bit here. Not looking horrible, but not looking that great either, just because, you came up. You're going to cool off a little bit. So nothing to really panic about. Your hourly VWAP coming up, so maybe you got a little bit of relief from this dump. People are going to take profits when you pump that hard. You got to remember that. What is this little dump ski? Yeah, a little 11% dump ski for 40%. That's not horrible. Not horrible. But yeah, you got your hourly VWAP coming up. That's probably your next shot to come up a little bit. Check the 24-minute, right? Up 20. I mean, you just entered into the red on the 24-minute. What happened last time you came into the red? Came down about 6%, so nothing really that, nothing too horrible. This one obviously came down on the money flow. Money flow going from green to red, coming down 17%. I mean, yeah, it doesn't have to play out exactly how it has in the past, but yeah, you might come down a little bit more in the short term here. So there's render. All right, and then we're gonna look at Elron. Let's take a look at the KuCoin chart. Bada boom, right? Looking very, very similar, right? I bet the daily has, I'm not going to look. I bet you the daily money flow is curving up almost to the, yeah, look at that. Looks the same as Bitcoin. Yeah, these are all going to look basically very similar to Bitcoin on the longer time frames. 4-hour. Green money flow starting to curve down. That, I mean, you could come back up, but that looks like it wants to go down, cross back into the red a little bit. Maybe you go sideways. Your VWAP's below the 0 line, coming down to the 1-hour. Let's see. So, yeah, I mean, your VWAP got rejected right there. Let me make this a little bigger. Yeah, VWAP got rejected right here a little bit. So maybe you come up and you might not come down. You might a little higher high on the VWAP and then cross over. And then maybe you print a green dot and the money flow starts to curve up again. I do hold a little bit of Elrons, look at the 15 minutes, see if we see anything crazy. Right, so here you go. Here you go. You could keep an eye on this, right? If you wanted to be looking for trades from here to here. Not confirmed yet. I want to be clear. You're going to want to wait for a green dot to confirm on this blue wave. But from there to there, and then you want to come up here. And then, yeah, I mean, that is a lower low right here if that confirms. So that would be a bullish divergence. And you are coming down to somewhat of a support level here. So, you could look for a little trade right there if that confirms bullish divergence. So there you go, guys. World divergences today. Let's go. 258 people still in here. Oh, no, I missed the 420 likes. Oh, man. What a disappointment. I wish I saw that, but hey, we hit it. Let's go. 420 likes, guys. Insane. Let's get it. Love to see it. Love to see it. Nobody remembers that he's supposed to take his hat off at 400 likes. Oh God. Okay. Yeah. All right. Fine. We'll do it. We'll do it. This is gonna be some messy hair for you guys. Messy hair. Let's see. We gotta plump it up a little bit. I don't got my hair gel. I need my hair gel. You know how long it takes me to do this hair? We gotta fluff it a little bit. We gotta hire a fluffer for when I get maybe we'll call them something different. But we're gonna get somebody to do my hair if I ever have to take my hat off. I have no idea what this looks like. I would love to see what this looks like. It probably looks hilarious. There we go. Flatten it out a little bit. Bada boom, bada boom. Hello, Chris Schaefer. What's going on, dude? He says, hello, Mr. Candlesticks. They made me take my hat off. And I gotta wait on a delay to see what this looks like. But there you go. There's Frankie Candles with no hat on. So I guess, hey, cat's out of the bag. Hat is off of the head. Maybe we could start coming on with no hat. But I do love this BitBoy Crypto hat. This is my favorite hat that I own. I don't wear this because it's my uniform. I wear this because I love this hat. But yeah, I hope this doesn't look too crazy. I do turn 30 in April, so I don't know how much longer I'm gonna have these luscious locks, you know. But there you go, Frankie Candles with no hat on. Anyway, nice Frankie, good sport, bro. Absolutely, I do it for you guys. I can't just cop out. I rug pulled you guys on the spins yesterday, so I got to make sure I'm on top of it. Appreciate that though. It's not good to wear a hat all the time, Frankie. I know. So I hear that back and forth, like, oh, it makes you go bald. And then people say, like, that's not true. But I will do my research because I don't want to go bald. Let's see. Lol, fluffer. I was expecting you to be bald. Oh, no, I'm not bald. I'm not even, no. Maybe, no, I mean, not yet, at least. Baldness doesn't really run in my family, but no, I'm not bald. Anyway, honestly, I kind of have the opposite problem where my hair is very thick, like toothbrush bristles. Like every time I go to the barber, they're like, man, you got thick hair, dude. And it's like kind of annoying because if I put gel in it, it's like hard to style. It's very annoying. But I'm not gonna complain. I'd rather have thick hair than no hair, right? Stop wearing a hat, Frankie. Okay. Yeah, the bit is not happy about the hat. Yeah, maybe I'll give the hat a break. But I love hats. What is the happy medium? How often can you wear hats before it's not good? All right, let's see. First time here, preach and teach. Hey, Susanna, welcome to the stream. You have never met me with a hat on, but people are seeing me for the first time without a hat. You're seeing me for the first time ever with no hat, or in general, so you don't even know what I look like with a hat, maybe. But welcome to the stream. Here we teach you how to trade crypto and make money, whether the price is pumping or dumping. We're not afraid of bear markets on this channel. But welcome, thank you for being here. Hats off to the crew. Absolutely, guys, absolutely. Bald spot for Tony says bald spot forming on my head. Hey, it happens. We're hitting that age. Crypto stress will make you bald before the hat. Hey, Scott, I don't doubt that. I believe that. Are you all at the new location now? I saw it on Ben's stream. Looks awesome. I'd like to see it in person one day. Yes. Red Robles, now that I'm pronouncing that correctly. Yes, we are in the new building, the new studio, plenty of room, giant 40,000 square foot building. We got pinball machines. It's coming together. Still some stuff in the works, but yeah, it's coming together. It's very, very cool. Very fun, cool environment. I wear a hat every day, and I have these luscious locks. Yes, Abs Crypto ain't on. Let's go, hat boys. Beauty is a blessing and a curse. All right, guys. So I think Frankie Suave. Hey guys, Johnny Bravo over here. Anyway, loving the vibes. BP, welcome to the stream. We're vibing like this 5 days a week, even at 2 o'clock in the morning sometimes, if Bitcoin dumps. But anyway, he had a bald spot from stress once. Oh my God. Actually, yeah, funny story, guys. I'm going to go FaceTime here. I think we're coming up to the end of the stream here. I'll give you a funny story. So speaking of being bald, one day, right, I go to get a haircut, and I get a fresh haircut. I'm sitting at my old job when I was in college, and someone walks by me. I'm sitting at a table, and they go, man, your barber nicked you, like, with the buzzer, man. You got, like, they completely shaved a part of your hair off. I was like, what? And whatever, and turns out it never grew back. And I'm like, I got another haircut. It's still there, just completely bald, like this big of a spot, perfect circle, just bald. Everything else was thick. And I went to the doctor. I went to the dermatologist, and they actually told me it was alopecia, which could be caused by high high amount of stress. I don't remember what I was stressing about. Probably some stupid college essay that I had to write that I don't even remember at this point. So it wasn't worth it. But yeah, little silver dollar-sized piece of hair, like spot of hair, just disappeared, and it was just totally smooth. And the doctor took a cortisone shot and gave me 18 shots in a spiral around the bald spot, just in a row, 18 shots in my head. Literally 3 days later, the hair was back and it never went away again. So yeah, very interesting, very interesting. But yeah, maybe we'll take the hat off a little more often. All right, without is cool too. Let's go. I like the hat. I like the hat too. Frankie, you look slick, my boy. Let me fade you up and hit some trades kicking it. Let's go, Koj. You want to fade me up? Let's do it. Mind you, Frankie has been dancing for 24 years. Has been dancing for 24 years, and he's 23. Without hat, we can call you Ganteng in Indonesia. I don't really know what that means. You look like you could be related to Chris Evans. Ditch the hat. You ever have trouble getting into a bar with that? Frankie, I'm listening to this story and it's wild. Yes, Wick. I have a lot of crazy stories. Maybe we'll do like a little story time section of the stream once in a while. You know, maybe once a week I'll give you guys, because I feel like I have a lot of crazy stories that only happen to me. I feel like I always have these crazy stories and I'm just like, I'm not even shocked. I'm just like, of course this happens to me. Like, of course this random person walked up to me and handed me 3 leaves and said, Babushka, I love you, and walked away. Like, I just attract this weird stuff. Like, a lot of my stories people probably don't even believe, but I would never lie. Anyway, so guys, don't forget, let me just share my screen one more time here. We are going to give this NFT away, this Adakian NFT. I don't remember. The Dognut NFT was about 58. I don't even remember what this one costs. But obviously, you'll be able to see once you get it. But yeah, make sure to keep an eye out. Click that notification bell so you get notified when I upload that video tonight. You got to watch, like, and comment. Be a subscriber to be entered into the giveaway to win this NFT. It's a Cardano NFT. And also, we'll be picking a second winner for another one-on-one 15-minute call. Still got to get that last one with, I don't know how to pronounce their YouTube name, but we did have someone, I believe their name is Steven, that won. So I got to get in touch with him, hopefully tonight or tomorrow, to get on that call. But don't forget, comment if you want to win that this NFT. Very, very cool. He doesn't even have hat head. Sheesh. Cobra Kai. Can you check bearish divergence on weekly ETH? You guys are sucking me back in. All right. This is the last thing. This is the last thing, I promise. All right. ETH weekly bearish divergence. So we started bullish divergence. Let's take a look. Weekly. Bada boom. Let me stretch this out a little bit. Coming down. Coming up. Listen, if Bitcoin pumps, I wouldn't really be that worried about ETH. You know, ETH is, especially if the alts go nuts, ETH is going to be a big part of that. I think a lot of people are thinking that ETH is undervalued for where it's at right now. So if the alts go nuts, I think ETH's going to have a really, really good time. You didn't check the ETH chart. One of those CandleMafia NFTs, please. Yeah, that when those get in the works, yeah, okay, cool. Beautiful. Thank you, Tony. Frank, don't forget the spins. Oh my God, guys, I almost forgot the spins. 4 more spins. Let's get into it. We're running overtime now. I don't get paid overtime. What's going on? All right, spin number 1. Okay. But guys, yeah, ETH looking for the most part. I know you guys can't see my screen, but I'm just looking at it here. ETH for the most part looking very similar to Bitcoin. Actually, the money flow on the daily is actually much closer, a little bit closer than Bitcoin. Here we go, 20 jumping jacks again. I land on the orange. We go to the spin to the left, or the spot on the left. All right, let's do this. Let's do this. Okay, let me tie my pants here. Tying the pants. All right, here we go. I'm gonna do it quick. Ready? As quickest jumping jacks you ever saw. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. I got all mixed up there for a second. All right, that's my 60th jumping jack today. Spin number 2. Bada boom. Oh, wow. Me tying my pants behind the computer screen looked kind of weird. Not going to lie. They're so fast. What is that? SGRB. Oh, God, I wish I remember what that meant. SGRB? I gotta stop making acronyms. Does anyone remember what that is? I'm 12 years old. What is this? NFT Alpha in the chat. Frankie Fitness after show. He making sure he's got that bullish body. Let's go. Guys, I don't remember what SGRB means. Should we just respin? Jay Moore says, nice pits, bro. Yeah, I'm sweating in here, guys. I'm sweating in here. Get fit and rich with my boy Frank. Will, let's go. All right, give it a spin. If anyone remembers what SGRB means, please remind me. But if no one knows, we'll just do a respin. Is this a joke? Is this an actual joke? Maybe we'll go to the right. What's the right? Okay, the right's moonwalk. I mean, you guys are probably bored of that, right? You guys can't really see me, right? Like I feel like moonwalk. Like that's not. I'll just do the jumping jacks. The moonwalk's not gonna work. All right, here we go. So we're on 80 jumping jacks now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. All right. 80 jumping jacks in. Almost at 100 here. Yeah, I think it's rigged. I think this wheel's a little unbalanced, guys. A little unbalanced. Here we go. Spin number 3, I guess. I think it's 3 or 4. All right, let's do it, baby. Getting them gains. Let's go, boys. Moonwalk. All right, we're going to go. All right, I'm going to go this way because the moonwalk I think is kind of lame because you guys can't see my feet. Oh, God, why did I say that? Guys, that says eat bugs. Okay, I got to write that down. Oh, God. All right, well, looks like we're going to be eating bugs, guys. I will figure out a way. Eat bugs. I'm going to take a picture so I don't forget, right? I'm not going to rug pull you guys on the challenges. Don't worry. Boom. All right, guys, we're eating bugs in an upcoming stream. We'll do the jelly beans first, and then we'll do the bug eating. Gonna have to try to figure out where to get some bugs. But yeah, some of you have this guy stripping down and working out on live. Frankie's gonna have to explain this stuff to his future missus. My hair's all messed up. I'm sweating. I'm panting. I'm like, so what are you doing at work? Oh my God. At least they weren't burpees. That's true. Eat a bug. Yeah. Hey, Pearls in chat. What's going on, man? Get on the table, dude. Oh my God. If I stood on this desk to do the moonwalk, you guys would see me eat it real quick. And I'm not talking about bugs. Come on, those crickets are tasty. Yeah, let's go. All right. Crickets. All right, we'll eat crickets. We could probably find those. Got to get that protein. That's right. He's working hard for the crew. Let's go. We just need to see your feet. Yes. Breathe, Frankie. The bit. Thank you. I appreciate you, the bit. The bit's looking out for me. I like that. That wheel is totally off balance. Someone put a couple of stamps on the back. You guys are funny. All right. Let's see. Buy those lollipops with those scorpions, with the scorpions and crickets. Yeah, absolutely. All right, guys. So we're coming up to the end here. You got Frankie without a hat. You got NFT giveaway, right? And the free one-on-one call. I wouldn't charge you for it. One-on-one 15-minute call with me. So like that video, watch that video, and comment on the new video coming out tonight. Click notifications so you know they're coming on. And yeah, guys, 443 likes. This is one of our top performing streams. Thank each and every single one of you for being here. It's crazy to see this community grow every single day. I truly appreciate it. That's why I like doing these giveaways. And yeah, guys, keep an eye on the charts. You know, things are looking like they're pretty primed up. We'll have to keep an eye on everything. We need that daily money flow to cross over on Bitcoin. That's what I'm looking for, to see a giant move. So with that being said, set your stop losses, take your profits. That's all I got. Thank you all for being here. I love all of you guys. I'll see you next time. Frankie Candles out.